How to get streaks on TikTok. So first thing first, open your TikTok. After opening your TikTok, just go to your profile and you will be able to see this kind of interface. So here what you need to do is tap on this menu bar and go to settings and privacy. After going here, you will be able to see this option called notifications on the very first under contain and display. Just tap on this. And here when you scroll down a bit, you will be able to see this tricks option with the toggle. Just turn it on and you will receive the streaks notifications and it will remain active. But if you have turned it off, you won't receive any streak notifications, but still the streak features will remain active. So whenever you exchange videos with each other or your followers or your friends on TikTok, you will be receiving a fire sign that is the sign of streak. So make sure to turn on the toggle option in order to get the notifications for your TikTok if your streak is about to end. So therefore, in this way, you can get streaks on TikTok. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.